MCAS number 7 Academy Online, and this is for question number 4. Look at that, order of operations again. But again, they didn't give you any other symbols besides parentheses, addition, and subtraction. So we just have to go, for grouping symbols, you have to go inside the smallest of grouping symbols. So remember, we're reading this left to right. So right here is our first one. So what's 5 minus 3? And then I'm going to say 5 minus 3 is 2. So I'm just going to replace that with a 2. Minus 4. And then inside these, you can see these parentheses, and inside those is another one. So I'm just going to do the smallest parentheses first. So 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. Close parentheses. So do you see how I simplified that? So now I'm going to go back and simplify this again, reading from left to right. 6 and 2 make 12 minus 4. And then I have to simplify these parentheses. I do addition and subtraction from left to right. So I'm going to read this left to right. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So I'm going to rewrite this down here so you can see it. It's 12 minus 4 times 6. I can't do the subtraction because multiplication comes before, so I'm going to multiply here. So 4 times 6 leaves me 12 minus 24. And again, these are different signs, positive 12 minus 24. You know the difference will be negative. So 12 minus 24 is negative 12. Final answer for this order of operations problem is B, negative 12.